Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorials. My name is Ghost. How are you all hitters? For today, I am rushing the video because I want to dive into this. The number of hits are limited, and again, the name of rather of this hit is Fresh Query Identification, USA English. This is an easy hit app to work with. We just have to judge whether the result for the query will be influenced by time, or if the user is looking for information related to an upcoming event, ongoing, recent event, past event, and none. Um, so for this one, Pioneer Woman Chocolated Cheesecake Grandma's recipe, should the search result for above query be influenced by time? It'll be no. And is the user looking for an information related to? This one is going to be none. It is not time sensitive. Um, let's click on no. Let's see how it goes. It's the training session. We got it right. Tranquility meaning that's a no again and no here. I mean no and none. It doesn't change. How good is the Mars mission going? This is going to be for this user search query. Answer the following question: should the search result for above query be influenced by time? Yes. So it is going. How good is the Mars mission going? It is going to be an ongoing event. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, we got it right. Toe and foot cramping. This is not influenced by time, and it's not something that you look forward to or on an ongoing event, a recent event, a past event. It's rather none. Click submit, and we got it right. Now, 99 restaurant coupon. Um, should Oh my goodness, I got a lot of messages. Well, thank you. I'm sorry. I apologize for that quick interruption. 99 restaurant coupon. Should the research result above query be influenced by time? This is quite confusing, but coupons they do expire. So it's yes. Um, and for this one, query time was August. It is going to be a past event. Let's see how that goes. We got it wrong. It should be ongoing. I understand that. Okay. Again, don't worry, guys. This is the training. Let me just go ahead and maximize this a little bit. Let me just adjust the screen. I'm not sure how to do it. Uh-huh. All right, hold on. So moving on to the next, cannot change font in signature setup in Outlook Office 2020, Office 365 rather. It's a no. It's not related to anything, so it's none. Let's see how that goes. I'm submitting it now, and my got it right. Fun days in August 2019. Should the search result for above query be influenced by time? For this one, it's a past s- event. I do not expect the result to change. I do not expect the result to change since time does not affect my search needs. Upcoming, ongoing, it is going to be a past event, so it's a yes, and it's going to be a past event as well. Here, click submit. Let's see how that goes. My internet is okay. I thought my internet is slowing down again. Moving on, Colombia's soft ties. That is going to be yes. And for this one, it is going to be, for me, it's upcoming. Upcoming events, elections. Hold on a sec. Breaking news, celebrities, recent events, recent accident, political. Now, I might get this one wrong. Let's try it. Uh, yeah, it's number two. It's an ongoing event. Whether August 14th. Ah, this is going to be influenced by time, but it's August 14th. This might be yes. It could be an ongoing event. Let's see. Nope. It is upcoming event. Yeah, because it's like a projection of the weather for August 14th. I do understand that. Hope you guys do understand it as well. Again, I am working on the training mode for fresh query identification. Um, Ogmosh Counter Elections 2020. This is a past event, and it's a past event as well. Hey, It is yes, and upcoming event. It's already 2021. I'm not sure how that thing went. Hotel Rwanda. So that's no, no. Yeah, it's correct. Hurricane Isaias. Okay. This is a weather again. So this is going to change by time, and this is going to be hold on a sec. It's a past event. It's a no, and it is going to be a past event supposedly. Let's see. So it is influenced by time. When it's related to weather forecast, it'll be related. Uh, it'll be a yes, and option number two will be ongoing event. That's weird, even if it happened already. Ian does Valorant new account come out. Uh, this is going to be yes, and this is going to be, I think, an ongoing event. No, we got the second question wrong. It has to be upcoming. All right. When can toddlers have orange juice? That's a no, and that's a no as well. Okay. Latest news on stimulus money? Yes, it's going to be ongoing. Think. Yeah, we got it right. Lyrics, wine, beer, whiskey. That's a no, none as well. Moving on. Google Translate. Nope. Chicago South Side Soul Discogs. I don't understand that, but that's a no, no. COVID 19. Yes, it could be an ongoing event or maybe upcoming. Let's try it. Yeah, we got it right. Polystyrene molecular weight. No, no. 1978 family murder in Winter, Texas. Um, I am looking for an upcoming, ongoing, recent, or past event. Okay, this is yes. It's time influenced. And again, but for this one, this is a past event. See? Flex Longboard Center. It's a no. It's a no. Tropical storms brewing right now. Yes. It is influenced by time. It could be an upcoming. It is going to be an ongoing event. Yeah. This is an address, so it's no. It's no. How many trainings do I have to finish for this one? Uh, this next one is Waukesha trick or treating 2020. Um, I don't understand this query, but it should be influenced by time, and this could be an upcoming event. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. How far is Yoshino restaurant? That's no, no. Yep, Kentucky Derby winner. It is influenced by time. It could be an ongoing event. Oh no, it could be a recent event. Let's see. Yep, we got it right. So let me click on that. All right, we'll do the qualification for this. Where is it? Fresh identification. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh, let me go back. We need to finish up 10 hits only. Okay, this should be easy. Whether Iowa City, yes, influenced by time. Uh, Upcoming event that is not influenced by time. PBI stock price, yes, it could change. Um, it could be an ongoing event. I hope we pass this. It's still submitting. While we are waiting for this video for the head to submit, please be advised that we are on Facebook. Our group name is Ghostly Hitters. You have to subscribe to our tutorial channel first before we can welcome you there. And of course, answer the relevant questions just for us to make sure that you are capable of reading and understanding the rules of, or yeah, the rules that we have in the Facebook group. Moving on, council fees and charges. Yeah, it definitely is not going to change, and it's an on for here. Carry and thrill to ground face mask, no, no as well. I'm really rushing this one because I want to pass the qualification. If we fail this first attempt, I think we have two more attempts. Okay, moving on. How to stop a dog from chewing dumbbell? No, no. Taxi prices. It could change, and it could be um, upcoming events developing future collection. Stock price. It's going to be an ongoing event. Coronavirus statistics in Colombia. Yes, it could be ongoing as well. I hope we pass this. The Pope, no, no. Popular new now in Bangkok, of course, yes, and it's ongoing. Oh, we failed it, man. Why? Let's see. Let's try it again. First query intent. After action report. Yes. Pass event. Let's give this a try. Um, when mixtures are separated by chromatography, how are nope, nope. Connecticut rescue submerged truck. Um, no, it could be a past event. Ah, top movies Indonesia. This is a yes, it's influenced by time, and it's a past event. I hope we got it right. How fast different animals can run? No, no. Which color of visible light has the least amount? Nope, not time sensitive. 1969 Corvette. No. Mortal Kombat. Yes. Upcoming. When was Mount Cook first climbed? Yes. Past event. Giant Eagle Onion Recall. Yes. That's ongoing event. Yeah, we passed it this time. All right. We are very lucky we passed it. I mean, this hit is paying about 2 cents per hit. Well, I hope this video helps you out. Again, my name is Ghost, and I am the admin of Ghostly Hitters. You can find us on Facebook. Please do join us there. We're looking forward to see you. Thank you for watching, and have a good day. Bye for now.